everyone, I made this beautiful necklace for my 4-year granddaughter. She loves necklaces, jewelry, and of course I'm making jewelry for her as well. So this is Gummy Bear's plastic one, and it's safe because it's on magnets, and I have more Gummy Bears to make probably earrings or another necklace. So if you like this necklace, I'll be showing in this video how easy to make the jewelry, the necklaces for little kids, little toddlers. And watch this video. So I found this plastic gummy bears. I call them gummy bears because they look like gummy bears, and I love gummy bears. So I found 30 pieces for $1 and something on Temu.com, and I decided to make for my granddaughter a beautiful necklace. But first I have to put the pins through the beads. This is what I'm doing. I use quite with this flat head pins, and then I'm putting on the pins inside of these beads, and then I will be assembling on some chain. Work is over. The work is over. Okay, Sonia. Sonia, what are you doing, Sonia? I need to work, Sonia. All bears on pins, and Sonia does not allow me to finish my work. Yeah, so I have to stop here now. I found 3 types of chain, and this one, pink one. First I was thinking I put on a pink one, but I have more pink gummy bears, so I probably will use like for another necklace. Then I had this one, not expensive one, like this type of chain, which is not bad actually, good idea. And finally I saw this one chain. This one is really beautiful, really light, silver plated, and I think it will match my gummy bears better, and I like the structure of this. So the length of the necklace for little girl, 4 years girl, should be an average around 12-14 inches. It's like 33 centimeters. So let's see the length of this one, and it's, of course, it's much more. So that's why I have to cut some actually part of this chain. I'll make like 30 centimeters, and I'll put on magnets, because little kids, they don't like this lobster or other type of closure. That's why it's more safely to put to make necklaces with magnets, especially when it's toddler. So I'm gonna cut this chain and make 30 centimeters, and then I'll start to assembling this gummy bears. So this part I will use for bracelets. So now I'll put magnets first, and then I start to assemble. So here we have the chain, and I will start from the middle, right from the middle, because I want to put this gummy bears equally. I guess I'll start from this one, and I will be probably putting them through the big one, like this one. We'll see. This is, I'll just try to kind of see how it works. Yeah, the 3. Yeah, so it probably has to go this way. Yeah, and maybe, okay, and then go here and there. Yeah, so it should be like this, and then this one as well. Oh, sorry, green one will go here, and then blue one and yellow one. Should I put more tight? I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet, but anyway. We'll see. Actually, it's not bad. If I put more tighter, let's see if I put like this, maybe even better. Yeah. So let's start it. So half is done, and I'm gonna put another half. Probably I'll add some more extra because I have a lot of gummy bears. So we'll see. But I like it. I mean, it's really cute and colorful. I think my granddaughter will love it very much. Let's continue. So the necklace is done, but then I realized I forgot to add purple one and yellow one gummy bears. So I'm gonna add them, and then it's done. But it's already beautiful. I'm very happy. Here we have a beautiful necklace for 4-year-old girl. Is gummy bears, and it's light because it's plastic. It's safe because it's on a magnet, and it's really, really beautiful. These gummy bears are beautiful. Oh, don't mention my burned finger. It's okay. So this is done, and I have more. So I'm gonna use this one for another necklace, and probably I will make a couple earrings because it's also earrings are beautiful. Unfortunately, I don't have small hooks for children, mostly for adults. So I'm gonna buy some small hooks, but I also make some earrings, beautiful earrings for adult women as well. So if you like this video, press like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing more beautiful necklaces for kids because my granddaughter loves necklaces and actually loves jewelry. So I'll be showing what I'm making for her, and you can make for your children and grandchildren. See you soon. Bye bye.